Judge backs Logan Paul's bid to dismiss CryptoZoo class action lawsuit. Crypto scam. Texas. Magistrate Judge Ronald Griffin advised an Austin federal court on Thursday that the plaintiffs had failed to establish direct ties between Paul and their financial losses. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 19, 2025. A Texas magistrate judge has recommended dismissing most of a proposed class action lawsuit against YouTuber Logan Paul over his collapsed NFT venture, CryptoZoo, in a ruling that could sharply weaken the case. Key takeaways. A Texas magistrate judge recommended dismissing most claims in the CryptoZoo class action lawsuit against Logan Paul. The judge permanently rejected the commodity pool fraud claim, calling plaintiffs' arguments dizzying. Plaintiffs may amend 26 other claims, but failed to show evidence tying Paul personally to CryptoZoo's collapse. Magistrate Judge Ronald Griffin advised an Austin federal court on Thursday that the plaintiffs, a group of CryptoZoo buyers, had failed to establish direct ties between Paul and their financial losses. The lawsuit, filed in February 2023, accused Paul and his co-defendants of orchestrating a rug pull by promising features and rewards that never materialized. Commodity pool fraud claim tossed. In his 75-page report, Griffin concluded that one of the group's 27 claims, alleging Paul engaged in commodity pool fraud, should be dismissed permanently. Plaintiffs had argued that CryptoZoo NFTs functioned like option contracts, since buyers initially purchased egg NFTs that later hatched into animals which could be bred into hybrids. The mental gymnastics required to come to this conclusion are truly dizzying, Griffin wrote. He added that plaintiffs failed to show how such purchases amounted to option contracts or contracts for future delivery. The judge did, however, recommend that the plaintiffs be given an opportunity to amend the remaining 26 claims, which span fraud, unjust enrichment, negligence, breach of contract, and violations of state consumer laws. Central to Griffin's recommendation was the lack of evidence tying Paul personally to CryptoZoo's downfall. He noted that much of the complaint relied on fragments of facts and vague attributions to defendants, rather than demonstrating Paul's direct involvement or personal gain. In some instances, plaintiffs attempt to jam together two pieces of different puzzles in the vain hope of producing a final, cohesive product, Griffin wrote, emphasizing that legal precedent does not support such tactics. The lawsuit also names CryptoZoo co-founders Eduardo Ibanez and Jake Greenbaum. Paul has maintained that the pair misled him, leading to the project's collapse, a claim the court previously signaled it was unlikely to accept. In January 2023, Paul pledged to reimburse buyers, setting aside $2.3 million for refunds. Claimants were compensated 0.1 ETH, roughly the original mint price of a CryptoZoo NFT in 2021, provided they agreed not to pursue legal action. Logan Paul sues CryptoZoo over CryptoZoo defamation claims. Meanwhile, Paul has filed a defamation lawsuit against YouTuber Steven Findeason, known as CryptoZoo. Paul argues that Findeason's reports on CryptoZoo falsely portrayed him as defrauding his audience. The lawsuit, filed on June 27 in a San Antonio, Texas District Court, stems from videos Findeason produced about Paul's failed CryptoZoo non-fungible token, NFT, project in 2022. The lawsuit alleges that Findeason maliciously and repeatedly published false statements, accusing Paul of operating a scam in connection with a troubled blockchain project called CryptoZoo. Paul seeks to hold Findeason accountable for his actions and the significant damage caused to his reputation through the intentional spread of defamatory falsehoods, as stated in the court filing. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Your phone can now mine crypto. XRP mining app turns smartphones into daily miners. Why is crypto down today? August 19th. 2025 Thailand launches crypto-to-bot payment system for tourists starting August 18th. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. SEC ETF decision pushed to October 2025. Bullish or bearish? 10 hours ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Industry Talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 18, 2025. Crypto market turns bearish as Bitcoin tests $115,000. XRP slips below $3. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 4 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. August 12, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best upcoming crypto coins in 2025. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 11 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 19 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.